we're out in the shop again today. I've just got a small project I'm going to work on today. I got a dartboard for Christmas from my mother-in-law, and I don't know, I want to put it out here in the shop because we got the pool table out here and everything. But being a pole barn, there's not a lot of flat wall space to be able to mount this thing. So here it is. I think what my plan is, here, check this out real quick. It's even got a light in it. I like it. Came with darts and everything. It's pretty cool. My plan is to mount it to my welding table, which is mobile, it's on wheels. But I don't want this to be in the way of a project. If I need the whole workspace, I want to be able to remove it easily. So I've got just a receiver tube, or a receiver off of another project. I don't remember what I cut this off of, but my plan is to put it on the back side of the table. I'm going to weld it like so. Okay. And then I'll just come up out of there to the correct height that the dartboard's supposed to be, like that. And then I think because this table is 4 feet across, we're not going to be able to reach clear back there to pull the darts. So I think I'm going to come straight off of it like that. That way it'll put it about in the middle of the table, and whatever height is, I think it's 70, I don't know, I gotta look it up, 76 or 72 inches off the floor. I still gotta look that up. So got a few more pieces of metal to cut to make the bracket for the back of the dartboard, but there's not gonna be a whole lot to this project, so let's get started.
1 2 3 4 1 2. It's a motorcycle drive-by, baby giant condoms. I think it's about time we headed home. Walking on this Tyrone with my damn high hopes. Country boys don't die alone. Reading poetry under shade trees. That woman, she's my baby. I will be in Richmond by tonight. With so much shame inside me, I just wanna hide me, but they wanna hear me sing my songs under lights. It's a motorcycle drive-by, baby giant kind eyes. I think it's about time we headed home. Walking on this Tyrone with my damn high hopes. The country boys don't die alone. Every day's so fleeting, and I have been trying to save it while I can. Look on her face, all these hot, humid days, and the boys in my damn band. It's a motorcycle drive-by, baby giant kind eyes. I think it's about time we headed home. Walking such a tightrope with my damn high hopes. Country boys don't die alone. Reading poetry under shade trees. That woman, she's my baby. I will be in Richmond by tonight. With so much shame inside me, I just wanna hide me. They wanna hear me sing my songs under lights.
Alright, so 5'8" is where the center of the bullseye should be from the floor to the center of the bullseye, which is 68 inches, right? 60. Yeah, 72, 6 foot minus 4, 5'8". So 68 inches from the floor. I've got 60 and a half to the center of my horizontal piece of 2-inch square tubing right there. The bullseye on the back of the board here, there's a center point for where the bullseye is. So That's about right here. It's close enough. So I need to measure down. Would that be 7.5 inches? And that should be center of that piece of 2-inch square tubing. Nope. Yep. 7.5 down from that. Wow. Basically going to be all the way up. Where's my speed square? Okay, we'll go an inch. So if I go down 1 inch, that's center. So if I'm down 1 inch from that, that would be the bottom edge. Actually, I want to go up. If I go up 1 inch, that'll be the top edge of that horizontal piece. So that'll give me a mark to hold it to, so I know where to weld it. Oops. Come on, Sharpie, you got more left in you. Alright, so that's where that's what I'll hold it up to. That mark right there will be at the top of this piece of 2-inch square tubing, and that's where we'll weld it.
I don't want to bet, but my father wrote.
Alright, I'm not planning on painting that metal, but it didn't turn out too bad. It's got some weird angles back there, though, so that way the board is plumb this way and level side to side. I just won't show you that part. It's a little bit crooked back there, but don't worry about it. Yeah, it's got a little wiggle to it, but I don't think a light dart is really going to affect it that much. Try it here in a little while. That's bright. Yeah, I like it. All right, well, I think that's it for that project. We've got some ribs on the smoker. We've got a bunch of a couple of our friends and their kids coming down tonight for dinner, and we're gonna play pool and try out the new dartboard. But I need to go check on the meat, make sure I'm not burning it. I'm sure it's not burning. Lisa's been on here for, I think, 2.5 hours. I got about a half hour to go. Look at that. Just need to give them a little spritz. Special sauce. No, not really. It's just applesauce. Or not applesauce. Apple juice. Yeah, applesauce wouldn't spray too well. Alright, those need another half hour. Then we're going to wrap them up in foil and finish those off, and we'll play some games tonight.
But I got a hold of a post-it I was gifted from him. My father is a betting man, but I got myself a steady hand. He's sitting in the corner with a 6-pack of Corona, betting that his son will win again. Go bet another 6-pack, bet I make a comeback. I know that this table's gotta lean. Won't you take me fishing, and I wanna try out for the 7th grade football team. You'll probably be nothing but this town's old drunkard and die on a smoke-stained stool. But right now he's got a bargain that he's taking too far on his boys' game of 9-ball pool. My father was a betting man, but I got myself a steady hand. He's sitting in the corner with a 6-pack of Corona, betting that his son will win again. My father was a betting man.
right, if you like watching these builds like this that we did today, make sure you like and subscribe. Our next project is going to be a fire pit that we're going to build for our patio. We're going to build it out of a propane tank. We're going to be cutting the ends off and welding them together. But thanks, Crystal, for the dartboard for Christmas. Appreciate it. And thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Cold-blooded killer if you ask.